Okay, so we're going to look at how to solve some inequalities. So what we're going to look at for this first one is we want to rearrange this to be x squared minus 25 is less than 0. What that means is we want to find out when this expression is negative. So we can graph y is equal to x squared minus 25 on our calculator. So let's graph x squared minus 25. You see it on the graph. It's negative here in the third and fourth quadrants. So we want to find the 2 points where it crosses the x-axis. We can find the x-intercepts by analyzing the graph, finding the zeros here and here. So from minus 5 up until 5, the graph will be below the x-axis, meaning the value of the expression, x squared minus 25, is less than 0. So this gives us a graph that looks like this. It goes through here at 5, it goes through here at minus 5. So the solution is that it needs to be between these two values, and we get our solution. And we do this last problem, because this one's a little bit different. In this last problem, we rearrange it. We get x squared minus 81 is greater than 0. What does that mean? What does that mean? That means that the expression has to be positive. So if we graph this one now on our calculator, just change the zoom a bit. Zoom. Change the window settings, minus 12. 12. Let's go to minus 90. The graph looks like this. So where is this expression greater than 0? Up here in the second quadrant and up here in the first quadrant. So if we graph y is equal to x squared minus 81, the graph is going to look like this. We need to find these x-intercepts, find the zeros. We get one there. We get one there. So these zeros are at minus 9 and 9. We want this part of the graph and this part of the graph. So we need to express this with two inequalities. We can do this as x is less than minus 9 or x is greater than 9. We can't put a single inequality to express this because there's two intervals. But you can do it using interval notation. So we go from negative infinity up to minus 9, union 9 up to positive infinity. So we can express it with inequalities like this, or we can express it with interval notation like this.
Why can't you put the same inequality signs